What's up, guys? Okay, welcome to this video here on how to pre-treat concrete. Okay, so here in a few seconds, I'm gonna start teaching you exactly what you need to do, settings that I use on my lava box to pre-treat before I am cleaning concrete, and how to do it from start to finish. So I'm glad you're here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to smash that like button. Roll that beautiful bean footage. That was deep.
To get you started in the pressure washing business.
What's up, guys? Aaron here with the Lean Amine Academy. Welcome back.
3, 2, 1.
Thing that we're trained inside of our minds subconsciously.
Look at that. Number 1. Hey! Hey! What are you doing, man?
Here we got this big driveway. It's not that big, but it's all brushed concrete, brushed to the point where the rocks are kind of showing through. So it's not new by any stretch, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to pre-treat a driveway here with my Arkansas soft wash kits lava box. We're also going to be doing these steps and that porch up there. So I'm going to show you guys the exact settings that I use, and you guys can check that out and implement if you do so desire. Okay, so here I got my water. My water's gonna be all the way on. I'm gonna put my soap on probably, I don't know, 2. Put my guy right here, my bleach, on 2.5. All right, and then, so that's pump 1. Obviously I got this guy. This guy's running right now. And pump 2 is here. I haven't even used pump 2 yet. It's just redundant. And got our deep cell. Good to go. All right, so as you guys saw my settings, okay? So now that blend module is going to be blending those in proper ratio I want for the dirtiness of this concrete, okay? So just take a look. I'm going to show you exactly how I pre-treat. Right now it's kind of just autopilot. One more thought, always work with the grade. Okay, so I'm going to start here at the top because this goes downhill. I'm also going to start my surface cleaning at the top here because it goes downhill. And when I get to my truck down there, I'll just move the truck up into the area that I already cleaned, clean the back half, and then we'll roll out. Check it out. You got to get more line. Okay, so what I'm experiencing right here is that this mix is a little bit hot. I know that is contrarian to what I would normally say. I'm a lava man myself. But it's a little bit hot for what I need for my surface cleaner. So what I'm judging on is based on if I think the mix is hot enough that it's going to kill the algae and not going to leave streaks on the back end, okay? If it's too hot, you're just wasting chems. If it's not hot enough, like downstreaming, you're gonna leave streaks with your surface cleaner. So I wanna find that nice little ratio, okay? And I'm gonna just dial that SH back just a bit. Okay, so we're just probably a little over a downstream. We're not super hot right now.
So hot right now.
I wouldn't say we're downstream. We're probably, I don't know, 6 to 1, something around there. And this should work good. this video. I want to thank you guys for watching it. I hope you learned something here on how to pre-treat concrete and clean it. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like it, and if you're brand new into pressure washing, looking to get your business started the right way, me and my boy Justin over at Forever Self-Employed made a huge course called the 0 to 7K Local Domination Blueprint. We've already got tons of testimonials and guys that are changing their life with this information. Check out the link in the description. Go ahead and pick that up, get started the right way, and let's get profitable. Hashtag me a lean and mean in the comments if you lasted this long, and I'll respond to you, and hope everyone is doing great. Keep after it.